We've got some Cynful dirty rice tonight. We're going to start by making patties with both our breakfast sausage and our ground beef, and we're going to sear those patties till they have a nice good crust on them like that. Then we, on both sides, and then we break it all up in there. Go ahead and drain off the fat, add your onions, your peppers, and stir all that in. We're going to get those onions just slightly translucent, and then add the garlic. Stir the garlic in, cook about a minute, about 30 seconds. Go ahead and add your seasonings. That's your pepper, your salt, and your blackened seasoning. Stir that in. Add the butter. And then the rice. We're going to cook that rice about 5 minutes, just like this. We're going to saute it. Get it a little bit cooked. Go ahead and add your beef broth. Stir that in, and then cover it up, and we're going to cook this for 20 to 25 minutes on about a medium low. Don't move that top until it's done. Go ahead and open the top, stir it up, and then give it a taste. See if it's got the right seasonings, a little salt, a little more of the blackened seasoning, or maybe a little cayenne pepper, whatever you like. Put it in a bowl, top it with some sliced green onions as a garnish, and then you have an awesome dirty rice. There's a link to a printable recipe in the video description, but let's take a look at it here. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for some dirty rice. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.